Hi, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Konvicka. Hey, we still have some rain. Maybe the rain hadn't quite lived up to promises yet, but the coverage was pretty good. I think just about everybody got wet, but many folks got less than a quarter of an inch. Others got a decent rain, a quarter inch up to an inch in some locations. Right now, we're seeing another wave of rain and thunderstorms as low-level winds increase as the disturbance travels back up to the northwest of us. That, of course, is exciting the atmosphere. And so we're getting these rain chances, rain and some thunderstorms coming in from the southwest, heading toward the northeast here across the area. And looking at the surface features, you can see that the one wave came through earlier today. Here's the second wave, which is coming in out ahead of you. You see the front surface low moving through Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle into New Mexico. Then a trough kind of connects to another low northwest of Brownsville, Texas. So yeah, we still have some weather to come, still some energy in the atmosphere in that direction that will change our weather again. Storm potential, we still have a limited risk of a few thunderstorms that could be strong or severe through Friday here in central Louisiana. That would take into account what we're seeing right now. So far, no warnings or anything like that, but we could see some warnings, I think, in a limited basis, either this evening or again Friday afternoon or evening, as we see a little front in the mix during that particular time period. Storm potential shifts to the east just a bit for Friday. I think we may have it a little bit too far east there in this context. I wouldn't be surprised to see it ratcheted back up to the northwest just a tad. That's a little fast timing with the frontal boundary there. So suffice to say that, yeah, we could see a few severe thunderstorms Friday afternoon and evening. And so we'll keep you informed if that happens. Futurecast, the in-house model, showing one wave is out of here. Here comes the next one as we head into, say, Friday evening. This is where we'd have a renewed risk of some severe weather as that moves in. This model gets pretty exciting. You see some really dark cores, nasty looking things there. So yeah, well, there is some potential for severe weather, hail and strong wind, certainly possible. I'd say strong wind would be more likely than the hail. And a tornado can't be ruled out with these shear profiles in the atmosphere. So Nick and I will continue to watch things for you. By Saturday, pretty good improvement there as we head into that day. Rain chances mostly limited to the morning hours. Lows tonight, typically we see 42. We're going to be much warmer than last night. We averaged about 42 for your Thursday morning. So we'll be 15, 20 degrees higher, even more in some locations. I have 65, 66 for DeRidder and Oakdale, respectively, and that is among the warmer readings that we'll have for tonight. So it'll be a slow increase in the temperatures as the low-level winds kick in, the low-level jet stream, as we call it. That kicks in the warmth, transport of air and moisture, and of course that sets the table for additional rainfall and maybe a little threat of severe weather. Wind field stays in the upper 50s through midnight, and by the way, these readings will probably be around midnight, and we'll see temperatures by the time you head back to work and school Friday morning, probably even higher than that. Now, Friday's highs will continue to move up into the low to mid 70s for the day. We'll see about these temperature readings will be averaging in, again, about 72, 73 degrees, 74, 75 common across the area. So that'll be the warmest day we've had in a few. Now through midnight Friday, a 100% chance of rain. Remember, this is the period. I'm doing it now as I do this stream, and that continues through midnight Friday. So I think everybody gets wet. Somebody will get some kind of rain. May not be what you want, may not be what you need, but I think you'll add a little bucket count in the rain gauge. Common amounts will be about a ½ inch to an inch and a half, but there's still a possibility for 3 to 4 inches. Right now, I see that best to the south of us across portions of Beauregard, Allen, Evangeline, St. Landry parishes, maybe across South Rapides, south of Oils, maybe South Vernon. So that is a little bit of a zone where I would say that might be the best chance to get that 3 to 4 inches. I think there's that much potential in the atmosphere for that, and potential doesn't guarantee occurrence, but we have to put it on the board anyway because it is a possibility. 7-day forecast going into this, a little front will come through on Friday. Still some locally heavy rain possible here tonight through Friday. 60% chance of rain Saturday. I think that's mostly going to be limited to the morning hours. Could be a little morning fog mixing in with that. Sunday, that 20% is an AM chance. Be mostly cloudy still, and temperatures turning a little bit cooler behind that front. Another front comes Sunday, Monday time frame. Further drop in temperatures as we head into Monday, and temperatures will pretty much stabilize near seasonal benchmarks there for Tuesday, even into Wednesday, just a tad below normal, 40, 61. That's pretty close to normal with yet a third front. So yeah, we got a trio of fronts for you in the 7-day forecast, and that will give us probably the coldest morning we see over the next 7. And we're back in the 30s for Thursday morning. But right now, most of next week looking pretty good, and we hope you get the rain that you want and need for your Thursday night and Friday and into Saturday morning. Finally, if you're going to be outdoors, we have the planner for you there. Still, we have that time period, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 majors, 2 minors each day. We're kind of in a lull right now. The ratings, the grades that I give it, or the potential, not too great, but you can pick out any one of those times and head out and try your luck. Nick Mikulas will be back with you Friday morning, and I'll be around during the day Friday as well. And if we have any really severe weather, we'll be on it and pass along the warnings.